Dr. Troy here, the Vancouver chiropractor at Zenaptic Chiropractic. 21 years of practice. We've learned a few things. We've seen a few things on motor vehicle accidents. And one of the things that we're really starting to see now is why insurance companies don't want you to continue with chiropractic care or massage care. Number one, it's all about money. And so if somebody rear ends you, for example, the other insurance company, their job, they have an obligation to their shareholders and even the driver of their vehicle who may be at fault. They have an obligation to save money and make money for their shareholders, which means you can become victimized. And here at Zenaptic, our job is to help you regain your health through chiropractic care. Now, obviously, if you've been rear-ended and you're suffering and it wasn't your fault, you have a right and you have an obligation to get your health back. Without going through a bunch of games and a bunch of hooplas that some of the insurance companies can play with people, and especially if you've been in an accident for your very first time or second time, they can really take advantage of the situation. That maybe the adjusters, they become your friend. There are a lot of great people that work for insurance companies. They befriend you, and then at the end of the day, they diminish your settlement, they diminish the value on your car, they don't pay you for time loss, and they try to cut your medical bills so that you don't receive proper care, all in the effort of making the insurance company money. And I gotta tell you that 80% of people that are in an automobile accident, they're suffering 10 years down the road. I can't tell you how many times people come to me and I ask them what happened. Well, 10 years ago I got in a collision and I've had headaches ever since, or I've had back pain ever since. I asked them if they sought care and they said no, they never knew about chiropractic. So I always tell people to protect yourself. Sometimes you need help from legal representation. I always recommend using a lawyer if you're going to go that route that specializes in personal injury, that doesn't just do criminal law and then family law and then does divorce law and then business law, and then, by the way, they also do personal injury. You want somebody that's all they do is personal injury. They know the ins and outs, so that you can get your settlement, you can get your injuries resolved. And that's really the key, is getting you back to full function, get your lifestyle back. Even though you've been injured in a collision, our job is to help you be as healthy as you can and restore you back to pre-accident status. So if you've been injured, you need help, see us first. We have lots of resources available to help you get back on track. This is Dr. Troy from Zenaptic Chiropractic.